All right, so, and I am showing some of you something, or I'm showing you something that I've never showed you before, so I really need y'all to do this. The first thing that you do, if you just want to use your calculator, is go to second distribution, TCDF. I'm going all the way up to my T value, which is this. Why did I put degrees of freedom of 49? N minus 1. I do this, and that means I hit enter, and this is the area shaded to the left. I do what with that? Subtract it from 1. The thing that I have not shown you before, which I think is going to be very helpful, go to Stat and go over to Tests. Which one are we doing? T-test. So then we're here. If I go to data, that means they're typed in a list, but they're not. So I'm going to stats. My mu naught is what I plugged in for my null hypothesis. My X bar and my S, we know what those are. This is 50. This part right here, we have 3 options. This option is what? Not equal to. This option is what? Less than, and this one is greater than. So I'm just matching which one I chose as my alternative. So what did we choose as our alternative for this one? So greater than. And when you hit calculate, it does a lot of work for you. It finds your test statistic. It does all the math for you of going through the p-value, and then it writes down the numbers that you plugged in. So instead of having to find your, look it up in the chart and then decide to subtract 1 minus, it does all of that part for you. And I do not care what you choose, but you now have options of which ones you want to choose.